Take garlic, but don't make the same mistake many people do. Garlic has long been celebrated not just as a flavorful addition to our meals, but also as a powerful natural remedy. Packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, garlic is known to boost the immune system, lower blood pressure, and even improve heart health. Its popularity as a natural remedy has soared, with many people turning to garlic for its potential health benefits. However, despite its many advantages, there are common misconceptions and mistakes that can hinder its effectiveness. One prevalent mistake is assuming that any form of garlic will provide the same health benefits. For instance, cooking garlic at high temperatures can diminish its beneficial compounds, while consuming it raw can maximize its potency. Another misconception is that taking garlic supplements is just as effective as eating fresh garlic. In reality, whole garlic cloves offer a range of nutrients that supplements may lack. As we dive deeper into this topic, we'll explore how to effectively incorporate garlic into your diet while avoiding these pitfalls. Whether you're a garlic enthusiast or just starting to explore its benefits, understanding the right way to consume garlic can enhance your health journey. Get ready to learn how to make garlic a staple in your kitchen and reap its full benefits. Health benefits of garlic. Garlic is more than just a culinary staple, it's a powerhouse of health benefits that can significantly enhance your well-being. One of the most notable advantages of garlic consumption is its ability to boost the immune system. Rich in compounds like allicin, garlic helps the body fend off infections and illnesses, making it a great addition to your diet, especially during cold and flu season. In addition to immune support, garlic is known for its positive effects on heart health. Studies suggest that regular consumption of garlic can lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. This makes garlic not only a flavorful ingredient but also a heart-friendly choice for those looking to maintain cardiovascular health. Garlic also boasts impressive anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These qualities help combat oxidative stress in the body, which can lead to chronic diseases. By incorporating garlic into your meals, you're not just adding flavor, you're also providing your body with essential nutrients that promote overall wellness. As you consider your health journey, think of garlic as a natural supplement that can easily be integrated into your daily routine. Whether you enjoy it raw, roasted, or in your favorite dishes, garlic can be a simple yet effective way to enhance your health and vitality.
While we carry on, please consider subscribing to our channel if you found this video to be informative and beneficial. Thank you.
Common mistakes in garlic consumption. While garlic is a fantastic addition to a healthy diet, many people make common mistakes that can undermine its benefits. One of the most significant errors is opting for processed garlic products, such as garlic powder or pre-minced garlic. While these options are convenient, they often lack the potent compounds found in fresh garlic. Fresh garlic not only provides more flavor but also retains higher levels of beneficial nutrients, making it the superior choice for health-conscious individuals. Another mistake involves cooking methods that can diminish garlic's health benefits. High heat can destroy the allicin, the compound responsible for many of garlic's health properties. For maximum benefits, consider adding garlic towards the end of cooking or using it raw in dressings and dips. This way, you can preserve its nutritional value while still enjoying its robust flavor. Additionally, it's essential to be mindful of garlic intake. While garlic is generally safe for most people, excessive consumption can lead to side effects such as digestive discomfort, heartburn, or even allergic reactions in some individuals. Moderation is key. By being aware of these common mistakes, you can ensure that you're reaping the full benefits of garlic while avoiding potential pitfalls. Embrace fresh garlic and mindful cooking to enhance your health journey. How to properly use garlic. Incorporating garlic into your daily meals can be both delicious and beneficial for your health. One of the simplest ways to enjoy garlic is by using fresh cloves. You can mince or crush garlic and add it to sautéed vegetables, pasta dishes, or marinades. This method not only enhances the flavor but also maximizes the health benefits. For a delightful twist, try roasting whole garlic bulbs until they become soft and caramelized. Spread the roasted garlic on bread or mix it into mashed potatoes for a rich, savory taste. Don't hesitate to experiment with garlic in various recipes. It pairs wonderfully with meats, seafood, and even in soups and stews. You can also add raw garlic to salad dressings or dips like hummus for a zesty kick. The versatility of garlic allows you to get creative in the kitchen while reaping its health benefits. When it comes to the ideal amounts, incorporating 1 to 2 cloves of fresh garlic into your meals daily is a great starting point. This amount is generally considered safe and effective for most people. However, listen to your body and adjust according to your tolerance. By following these practical tips, you can easily make garlic a staple in your diet, enhancing both flavor and health. Garlic supplements, pros and cons. Garlic supplements have gained popularity as a convenient way to harness the health benefits of garlic without the need to incorporate it into meals. However, it's essential to understand the differences between whole garlic and garlic extract supplements. Whole garlic contains a variety of beneficial compounds, including allicin, which may be diminished in processed supplements. Garlic extracts often focus on specific components, which can vary in potency and effectiveness. One of the potential benefits of taking garlic pills is their ability to provide a concentrated dose of garlic's active ingredients. This can be particularly appealing for those who dislike the taste or smell of fresh garlic. Some studies suggest that garlic supplements may help lower blood pressure, improve cholesterol levels, and support immune function. However, the effectiveness of these supplements can vary widely based on the formulation and dosage. On the flip side, there are drawbacks to consider. Some individuals may experience gastrointestinal discomfort or allergic reactions when taking garlic supplements. Additionally, the lack of regulation in the supplement industry means that not all products are created equal, leading to concerns about quality and efficacy. Before starting any garlic supplement, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional. They can help you determine if supplements are appropriate for your health needs and guide you on the right dosage. By making informed choices, you can effectively incorporate garlic into your wellness routine. In this video, we've explored the incredible health benefits of garlic and the importance of using it properly in your diet. From boosting your immune system to improving heart health, garlic is a natural remedy that can enhance your overall wellness. However, to truly reap these benefits, it's essential to incorporate fresh garlic into your meals rather than relying solely on processed forms or supplements. We also discussed common mistakes people make when consuming garlic, such as cooking it at high temperatures or overindulging without considering potential side effects. By avoiding these pitfalls and embracing garlic in its freshest form, you can maximize its health advantages and enjoy its robust flavor in a variety of dishes. As you continue your health journey, we encourage you to experiment with garlic in your cooking and make it a staple in your meals. Remember, moderation is key, and consulting with a healthcare professional can help you determine the best approach for your individual needs. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends and family who might benefit from these health tips.